Welcome to my Mercedes CLK 350 AMG Sport. So a little bit of history about the CLK. It originally started in 1997, so it's styled by a gentleman called Michael Fink. It originally started with a coupe version known as the W208 and the convertible version known as the A208. So there were a number of engines available supporting those models. There was a 2.7 litre 5-cylinder diesel. There was even 4-cylinder supercharged engines, but much more popular was the combination of V6, mind the cyclist, V6 and V8 petrol engines. So these varied with a 3.2 V6, and there's even a 5 litre V8 as well. Moving forwards to 2003, and the CLK was substantially revised and some new model numbers denoted. So we now had the W209, the coupe, and also the A209. So with these models, Mercedes-Benz were offering an E-Class coupe experience, but with C-Class dimensions. This one is a 2007 CLK 350 AMG Sport. It benefits from 18-inch wheels and some other sports trim. Not really an AMG model in truth, more of just a sport model, but a very appealing one. It's in the most popular colour combination of silver with the dark black trim, the leather trim. This is a fairly safe combination. Again, very popular and good resale values as a consequence. So what's this car actually like to drive? Well, we have a 7-speed automatic, which is very smooth. It does have what we call the flappy paddles. I tend not to use them. This car's from 2007, so the responsiveness of the flappy paddles is not all that, to be honest. The car, it certainly is pretty heavy. There's a lot of underbracing here to minimise the scuttle shake, and it does quite a good job of that, to be fair. Say the ride is very firm, and on UK roads that's not such a great experience. Most major A roads now suffer from potholes, and to be honest, you really do feel it in this car. It will often crash through potholes quite abruptly if taken at speed. That said, it is very stable, and given a smooth road surface, it's a great experience and is surprisingly smooth. I can only imagine that on maybe some decent Spanish roads or maybe German autobahns, this thing is probably as smooth as you can get. As mentioned, this is the V6 engine. It's a petrol 3.5, around 268 brake horsepower, coupled with a 7-speed automatic. This probably makes it one of my fastest cars in terms of 0 to 60 or 0 to 62 times. Top speed is limited to 155, but to be honest, you're unlikely to get anywhere near that on UK roads unless you wish to lose your licence. So, fuel economy, well, we don't tend to talk about fuel economy, to be honest. These convertibles do actually represent pretty good value for money. This car was acquired in 2017 with a very low mileage, around 48,000 miles, and it was roughly, well, it's less than £10,000, let's leave it at that. Well, let's try some of that performance. Yep, that's pretty quick. And safely bring it down to a more manageable speed on this bumpy road.